The HP Envy isn't the most powerful portable workstation on the market, but its price to performance ratio is fantastic, making it a very strong competitor to MacBook Pro for creative or engineering professionals, and it can even hold its own as a gaming laptops when you need a break. Pros: excellent performance of the price, the gorgeous 4K touchscreen display, sleek design, great sound for the laptop, plenty of software controls to tweak performance, expandable for those who need a little bit extras. Cons: can run hot under strain, a surprising amount of bloatware, a bit of the hefty sides. Best features only available on higher end models. Coming to the specs, the NV15 is HP's latest portable workstation for the creative professionals market, while marked more toward the design crowd. Any professionals who want portability, style, and performance without paying a fortune will find a lot to love about this laptop. In terms of the graphical performance, the NV15 puts up some impressive numbers, especially when you opt for the RTX 2060 GPU super configuration and the 4K OLED display. Since creative work, whether it's video, audio, graphic design, or software development, requires a lot of memory and a powerful GPU. The NV15 will also let you play many of the best PC games out there on ultra settings without grinding your FPS to a halt. It's not going to beat out the best gaming laptops, but all for the most die-hard laptops PC gamers out there. You won't be able to tell the difference. Coming to the specs, we have the 10th Gen Intel Core i7-10750H CPU makes the NV15 a powerful multitasker as well, but if you plan on going all in one Chrome tabs or working with several large media files at once, the 16 GB RAM that come with most configuration will likely hold you back from getting the most out of the NV15 through. Though HP recommends against users attempting to upgrade the system's internal hardware, removing the bottom of the laptop chassis allows you to access the system's RAMs and PCIe SSD slots. So if you have these components handy or can get them cheap, you can upgrade the system to good extent to fit your needs while not paying a lot of extra money to do so, giving the roughly $800 um price price difference between the HP and V15's base model and its highest end configurations. The difference in hardware unfortunately impacts the user's experience. Most of the HP and V15 2020's best features are not available at low end, like the 4K OLED display or the RTX 2060 Super GPU. So keep that in mind that if you are looking for an HP NV15 as your next portable workshop. What's more, some of the impressive hardware also adds to the physical bulk of the machine. It's not a piece of exercise equipment by any means, but you're going to know that you're carrying it when you're on the move. In the end, for the mobile creative professionals looking for a powerful laptop that can handle some of the most resource intensive tasks out there, the HP NV15 stands out the serious competitor to the Apple MacBook Pro in terms of both performance and especially price. The HP NV15 2020 is available now only through HP and other retailers. All models come with an Intel Core i7-10750H CPU, so the only difference between them will be their GPU, their storage drives, and the amount of pre-installed RAMs. The HP NV15 base model retails for $1149 and comes with the GeForce GTX 1650 Ti 15.6-inch 1080p display, 16 GB of RAM, and 256 GB PCL SSD storage. The configuration that HP sent to me for retail reviews for 1199 and includes the 4K OLED displays as well as the RTX 2060 Supermax Q GPU. It only has 16 GB of RAM, but in addition to the 512 GB PCIe SSD, this configuration also 32 features 32 GB Intel Optane storage acceleration memories. Coming to the design, the HP NV15 minimalists gray aluminium chassis and easy open lid might lead you to mistakenly another professional laptop popular among the creatives. But the stylish HP logo on the lid is visible enough to give them the game away at the glance. Performance. The HP NV15 is one of the most compelling features, especially in models with the RTX 2060 Super GPUs. Battery life. The other measure of the HP NV15 is the 6L83 WHR lithium-ion batteries. The less powerful hardware on the lower end configuration don't tax the battery the way the higher end ones, so your battery performance will vary according to that. Coming to softwares, it's a very mixed bag that comes in the softwares for the HP NV15s. As we mentioned before, the HP Command Center gives the ability to prioritize certain hardware to boost performance, dissipate heat, or run more quietly. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.